The gaming world has always been a battlefield of innovation, where companies constantly push the limits of technology to deliver experiences that are bigger, faster, and more immersive than ever before. In recent years, one area of gaming that has seen a massive boom is the handheld gaming market. With devices like the Nintendo Switch, Steam Deck, and ASUS's very own ROG Ally, gamers have been able to enjoy high-quality gaming experiences on the go. But now, ASUS has raised the stakes yet again with the ROG Ally 2, a next-generation handheld console that promises to redefine portable gaming as we know it. This device doesn't just iterate on what came before, it transforms it, combining cutting-edge hardware with sleek design and software optimization that make it a truly game-changing piece of technology. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll explore every aspect of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, its design, performance, display technology, controls, software ecosystem, cooling system, battery life, and how it compares to competitors like the Steam Deck OLED and Lenovo Legion Go. We'll also discuss what this means for the future of gaming and whether ASUS has truly created the handheld that changes everything so far. Before we talk about the ROG Ally 2 specifically, it's important to understand the context of handheld gaming. For decades, portable consoles like the Game Boy, PlayStation Portable, PSP, and Nintendo DS dominated the space, offering experiences that were enjoyable but limited by the hardware of their time. When the Nintendo Switch launched in 2017, it changed everything by combining console-quality games with true portability, selling over 130 million units worldwide. Then came a new wave of handheld PCs, devices like the Steam Deck in 2022, that bridged the gap between consoles and full PCs. These systems allowed gamers to run AAA PC titles on the go, giving them the kind of freedom that no console before had provided. ASUS entered this market with the original ROG Ally, a sleek, Windows-powered handheld that impressed with its high refresh rate display, powerful AMD APU, and Xbox Game Pass integration. But while the first Ally was impressive, it wasn't perfect. Issues like limited battery life, software hiccups, and a slightly bulky design held it back from being the ultimate handheld. That's where the ROG Ally 2 comes in, a device that takes lessons learned and amplifies everything to a new level. The first thing you notice about the ROG Ally 2 is how much more refined it looks compared to its predecessor. ASUS has clearly taken inspiration from both gamer feedback and trends in the industry. The device features a slimmer, more ergonomic design that feels comfortable to hold even during long gaming sessions. The grips are better contoured, the weight distribution is improved, and the button placement is more natural. The device's chassis has been redesigned with premium magnesium alloy materials, giving it a sturdy yet lightweight feel. It strikes the perfect balance between durability and portability, essential for a handheld device that's meant to travel everywhere with you. RGB lighting around the joysticks and subtle accents add that signature ROG flair without feeling overwhelming. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring scratch resistance and durability, while the back panel features improved ventilation and heat dissipation zones. ASUS clearly wanted to make the ROG Ally 2 not only powerful but also visually stunning and practical for real-world use. One of the biggest selling points of the original ROG Ally was its display, and ASUS has doubled down on that strength with the ROG Ally 2. The device sports a 7.5